Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk on 5 points of Meesho. First point is how to become Meesho seller. Second point is what are the benefits of Meesho seller to becoming a Meesho seller. Okay. Third point is what are the disadvantages of becoming a Meesho seller. Fourth one is how to run ads on Meesho. And the fifth point is my experience on Meesho, because I am also selling the product on Meesho, so that's why I will share my experience in the last of this video. So to definitely get complete information about Meesho. And after this video you can also decide this, that you should start your reselling business on Meesho or you should start your branding with Meesho or not. Will you be in the profit or will you be in the loss on Meesho? You will get all the answer after watching this video. So first I would like to talk about the first point, how to become Meesho seller. So I will not tell you how to become it, like how to register in Meesho, how to register, how to apply on Meesho to become a Meesho seller without GST or with GST. There are a lot of videos are on YouTube. You can watch that videos. You can watch those videos and you will get to know that how to become Meesho seller. So what I am going to talk about in this video, I am going to share all the things in this video. This is a very basic thing. Go to the Google Chrome, okay, search Meesho seller panel and you will get the link of Meesho seller account, okay, and you will click that link and you will have to put your number. You have to register from your email ID and from your number. You will create a password and you will become a Meesho seller. So it is very easy task. How to register your GST, how to register without GST, you will get the videos on YouTube. You don't need to worry about it. So this video is important because I am going to tell you about like what are the benefits to becoming a seller on Meesho, what are the disadvantages to becoming a seller on Meesho, and third one is how to run ads on Meesho, because these are the three parts are very important part of this application. So I'll start with second topic, like what are the benefits of Meesho. If you create an account on Meesho and you start selling your product on Meesho, then what are the benefits you will get? So first thing, you don't need to pay any kind of commission charges on Meesho, because Meesho are not taking any kind of commission from the seller. Second thing, when you upload the catalog or when you list the product, you will get the order easily in just within 24 hours, within 48 hours. Like Meesho is known as an affordable platform. So if you list your product with the lesser prices, so in lesser prices you will get the orders. It is very simple. I am telling you because I have already applied this on my seller account, so that's why I am telling you this. When you open an account, on Meesho as a seller, then you will get the free credit from the Meesho seller panel or Meesho platform. So you can use those credit for running your advertisement on product. Okay, so these are the three benefits you will get. So now here I would like to add one more point in this, that I already told you that you will get the ad credit, and you can use those credit for running your advertisement on product. So it is very simple. I will not tell you how to run ads properly because it will become a very long video and nobody is going to watch this video. So I will make a part of this video. Definitely what I am going to talk about, or what I said to you, or what I explained about a single topic, I will definitely make a separate video on that. Now come to our fourth point. What are the disadvantages of Meesho? So here you have to listen very carefully. So when I created my account on Meesho, so first thing which I did last year, I created my account, and at that time I purchased or I bought some products from the manufacturers. Like I was selling hoodies for the winter, men's hoodies. So I bought the product from the manufacturer and directly I upload those products on my platform like Meesho seller account. So after that, what I observed that I am not getting orders, because I purchased the product from the manufacturer in wholesale. So approx I spent more than 40,000 rupees only on the product and I am not getting orders. So it was very shocking for me that how I am going to repay it. Like I have already invested 40,000 rupees on Meesho, like on my product, and I am not getting orders. So now what will happen? Now what I am going to do next? This is the problem which I had faced, but this is not the end. After 1 year, this year, just a 1 month back or 2 months back. Yeah, 2 months back. Again, I tried. I clicked a photo. I went to some mart and I went to the mall and I clicked a photo of a t-shirt, and then I upload that t-shirt with an AI model on Meesho. What I have observed, like in just few hours I got the orders. You know what happened? I clicked the photo, I upload it on on Meesho, and then I choose the price, or I listed a price rupees 30. Selling price is 30 rupees. Then I kept thinking about, like, what should I do now, because I don't have this product, and I just randomly I clicked a photo and upload on Meesho. So now what I have to do now or something? So I have to deliver this product to their customer. So because at that time I didn't have that product, so I cancelled all the orders. And after that again I thought that I should start this business again. Now I'm getting orders, so I should start this business again. So now again I used to go to the market, I used to go to the research of all the product, from where I will get the cheap product, or from where I will get the good product in lesser price, so I can get the profit from selling. And I started selling those products on Meesho, t-shirt on Meesho. But as we all know that if I want someone which is very attractive and which is looking very branding and which is looking very classic, so I have to pay for that. So Meesho is not known for that brand and all kind of things. Meesho is known for affordable rates. So people on Meesho who are shopping from Meesho, they are looking for those products who they will get in lesser price. So the first thing which I did, I listed my product, but I listed my product at the rupees of 250. I was selling at the rupees of 250. Nobody purchased it. I didn't get a single order in a week. When I decreased the price, when I reduced the price of that t-shirt, when I reduced the price at rupees 65, I started selling that product at the rupees of 65, and then I started getting orders. So my point is, like, if I'm providing a good quality product, so I am putting the efforts, like I am putting the money in it. Definitely I am putting the money, so that's why I am selling that product in 250. If I'm going to sell that product at the rupees of 65, that what's the point of this? I'm not getting any profit in that, and also I have to pay GST on that, and also I have to pay shipping charges for that. So I'm not getting any benefit for that. So what's the point to sell on Meesho if the product of 250 rupees is also not, the customer who are using the Meesho platform, they are not going to pay 250 rupees for a t-shirt? Then how the seller will get profit? This is the question. As per my experience, I have dispatched more than 30 to 40 orders, but still I am in loss. Why? Because I purchased a good quality product from the wholesaler, and I was selling that product at the rupees of 65. So I was in the loss because I have to pay GST, I have to pay shipping charges, I have to reduce the cost of the product also at the rupees of 65. So I was in the loss completely, and the people who are selling their product at the rupees of 400 or 500, it is not possible as per my experience. If someone is selling, please comment in the section of this video. Definitely I'll look into it. But the people who are saying this now, I am making lakhs, I am making 4 lakhs, I am making 10 lakhs in a month by using Meesho, by selling product on Meesho. So I don't think it is possible. No, it's not possible. It's not going to happen. You want to try, you can, but I will definitely suggest you that don't invest so much money in your product. First, order a sample, list it on Meesho, and listed the price on Meesho, and then you will get to know that you will get the orders or not. Okay, now I hope that you got my point, what I was trying to say, or what I was trying to suggest to all of you who are trying to start or who want to start on Meesho as a seller. If you agree with my points, then definitely like this video, share this video, and please comment anything you want to comment on this topic. So you can comment on this as per your experience. Okay, and if you have any question about the Meesho, then you can also ask me in the comment section of this video. I will definitely reply on that. So have a nice day, guys.